Hey guys, welcome to the Hightail design. This is a 4x2 with a theatre that's made for a 315 square meter block. So come on through. What you can see straight away is your entry and then straight into your master bedroom. So master suite will fit a king bed with side tables obviously, and then your walk-in robe, and then your ensuite which has your vanity, 900 standard shower, and then your toilet at the far back. Come through, and now we can go into the next section. So you've got your garage straight away, just a standard 2-car garage with a manual roller out the back for access, because the garage and the bed is basically almost built on the boundary, so it's very tight. You've got your built-in linen here, and then you got your minor bedroom straight after that. So bed 2 first with a built-in robe. All the minor beds will fit a queen bed. Into bed 3, and then into bed 4. Then got your standard toilet, and then your spare bathroom for the minor bedrooms. Cool, we'll keep going. So straight after this section, then you've got your theatre, which is an open theatre for this one, which they've already set up the walls and everything so that it's designed for a wall-hung TV. And then into the open living area. So your massive kitchen, it's a U-shaped bench, as you can see here. 900 appliances are standard. And then into your walk-in pantry, which then flows onto the laundry. And coming back, so yeah, open plan living. So what that means, living area, and then your dining area. And then it goes out into the alfresco. So basically, this is a 315 square meter block. So 10.5 frontage, 30 deep. This is the minimum we need to make this fit. So it's a tight squeeze, but it does work. You've got to remember, it's a small block. So alfresco, and it's still got over about 4.5 by 4. So if this isn't enough yard, you can always remove the alfresco if you need. But at the same time, you can only do so much. It is a small block, but to show that you can get a 4x2 and the theatre, you're laughing.